How to set preferred SIMs for calls and messages to eSIM or physical SIM on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. After that, go down and tap on SIM manager. In here, we go down to the preferred SIMs section and tap on calls. Here, tap on ask always, home, or eSIM work. So here you can choose a physical SIM, or you can choose an eSIM. For calls and for messages, you can also choose whether to use a physical SIM or an eSIM. So I name my physical SIM as home, and I name my eSIM as eSIM work. And that's it. So here you can choose which SIM to use for calls and which SIMs to use for messages. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.